Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. Today's topic is ready to use Shopify B2B integration for streamlined orders and better CX. Myself Shubhashish Raut, I'm the Senior Account Manager in APPSeCONNECT Customer Success Onboarding Department. I'm in this integration domain since 2014. I am looking for the entire business process from complex B2B projects from the inception to delivery. This is my job role here, and I have with me Ratnadeep. Ratnadeep is our technical consultant, and for the short introduction, I will pass over to Ratnadeep. Ratnadeep, over to you.
Yeah, hi everyone. So this is Ratnadeep from the APPSeCONNECT team. So I am the technical consultant in customer success onboarding team, and my primary role out here is helping clients to seamlessly integrate their business process so that everything flows smoothly in their business. And yeah, that's the primary role out here in of mine in APPSeCONNECT.
Thank you, Ratnadeep, for your brief introduction. So today we will discuss some points regarding the introduction of our today's webinar topic. Then we will discuss a little bit of our problem context of related to this Shopify B2B problem solutions, and then how we will discuss that how AppSeConnect can help you over there. Afterwards, we will provide you a short demo. Then we will take some questions from you and try to answer most of the questions over. Okay. So moving on to the introduction part, as you all know, Shopify B2B is a newly launched app to cater the B2B customers across the globe. Till date, Shopify basically concentrated on the B2C business processes, and it is a very well-known e-commerce platform, as you all know. But currently, Shopify is focusing their business process in B2B business as well. So that's why they have recently launched this B2B application through which you can easily maintain your B2B business process inside this e-commerce platform. So whenever you will try to do the B2B business, you will get it over the Shopify Plus. So if you some customers purchase the Shopify Plus, they will definitely get the Shopify B2B plugin. The technology behind it is more interesting because nowadays you know that REST API, previously it was the SOAP API that was being used as an application program interface, but nowadays afterwards it came like REST API, which is based on mostly JSON kind of a format. Gradually, now the technology become changed, and it is the GraphQL technology that is latest introduced over there. There are many advantages of GraphQL. You know that you can see our other webinars regarding the GraphQL mechanism as well. In this GraphQL, the main fundamental objective is you can just get the chunk of the data that whatever you need. In compared to REST API, whenever you will talk about REST API, you have to call the entire API data and you will get the entire data set. So the data set, whatever you are receiving, it may be large whenever you are getting those informations. So in that case, GraphQL is giving you the benefit over there. The small chunk of data will help you over there. Now, on the top of that, cherry on the top is AppSeConnect. How AppSeConnect will help you over there? AppSeConnect will provide you the ready to install package with the B2B integration with 15 process flow in a single container. Alongside, you will get the easy onboarding in the single package, that is a plug and play kind of a thing. And the future GraphQL mechanism is used in AppSeConnect. So you will be free for upcoming 4 to 5 years approx that your technology will not change over there. Moving on to the problem context, how this package can help you over there. The entrepreneurs who are doing business over the B2B module, they have the main fundamental problem of their order scalability. Like their order volumes are large as well as the order quantities are also large. So here this is one of the fundamental problem is order scalability, that how they can scale their orders in a shorter period of time with less manpower involved. Second problem is the manual process. That's, I have already told that the human intervention is a problem over there. The time consumption is a third problem. Fourth problem, multiple solution platform exist for B2C and B2B. So whenever you will look forward in the market for a solution that how the B2C problem can be sorted out, how the B2B problem can be sorted out, you will get that there are multiple solutions exist in the market. Some are focused on the B2B, some on the focus on the B2C. But in AppSeConnect, what you will get, the entire B2C and B2B in a single segment, single package. So you do not need to go here and there for your solution purpose. And also along with that, we offer you the process monitoring segment. So here as a solution, how AppSeConnect can help you over there, that AppSeConnect is capable enough to handle large volume of orders in a single click, and all processes are automatic, process execution time in almost real time. Single package can be used for B2C and B2B both. Not explicit monitoring is needed. Whenever any problem will appear, you will get the notification. You will get notified explicitly in your any notification system. It may be WhatsApp, it may be mail, it may be Teams, wherever you want, you will get the notification. It is flexible to configure as per the business need. The PDF notification is there in that package. You will get the PDF notifications in your mobile through WhatsApp, and integrated return refund process management we also offer you into that package. So it is a complete package where it will help you grow your business. That's why we always say that AppSeConnect, whenever comes into that picture, you grow, then we will grow. Now I will hand over to Ratnodeep for the short demonstration for the specific business process of using this Shopify B2B. So the integration will be demonstrated by Ratnodeep. So here, Ratnodeep, over to you.
So hi everyone. So basically this is the AppSeConnect user interface which you are seeing in the screen. So in this demonstration, I'll be showing you how we can add company alongside with contact from ERP. Basically, we are using SAP as an ERP at this moment, and we will sync it to the Shopify using the latest technology, that is the GraphQL. So this is how the user interface of AppSeConnect looks like, as you can see. So here you will find out the project basic information, the configuration completion details, which will include how many apps are there, how many connection will be there, how many agent has been installed in your server, connection, what is the growth plan you have purchased, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we have multiple options on the left hand side, that is home. Then there are multiple options. We have deploy section and everything. So l- let's just now go on to and search for some demo addresses, because we will be requiring that for syncing the uh, companies alongside with the contacts into the Shopify. So let me just first take out the addresses from India itself. So I've taken random addresses. So this is the SAP, as you already know about it. So I'll just go to the business partner section and try to create one company. So we already have the user defined fields set up on the right hand side, so which will be required for storing the Shopify IDs. So you can see I have entered the code. There is CST002. I'll just enter the name of the company now. There is CADIF Private Limited. So then I will go and add the phone number. So the +191 is required since Shopify accepts the code, because without the code Shopify doesn't accept the phone numbers. So the next thing that is required is the email address. So I'll quickly add on the email address. So I'm just adding a random email address with the Mail. As you know, Mail is a mail where we get all the junk mail. So I'll just add it there. So now I'll go to the address section and I will basically add the address. So the address ID will be same. Sorry, let me just put in the address ID. So the address ID is here. So I'll take the street and the PO box from the address that I have got from Google. So you can see it. So I put in the address. So I'll just cut it and put in the block segment, the second part. So then I will go again there and take the city, state, and everything from that specific demo address. You can see now I am just putting in the zip code and I will just select the country first. So I'm basically searching for India. So yeah, so I'm just defining the code since the code is not there. So you can see that I have. So I'm just taking the code from here and creating it in SAP and just giving the name. And I will also add one more. So I've added two states. So I'll just update it. So the first that billing address I've taken it as Delhi. Now I'll go move to the shipping address and I will go again to the demo address that I'll take the same address. Okay, let's try a different address and we'll have a different billing address and a different shipping address basically. So I'll put the address ID same as the name of the company. So the street address I'll be taking it from here and the last part I will be just keeping it as a block. So now let's put in the city. So I'm just selecting the country India. So I'll just add the state of Maharashtra as well here since I have taken the address from of Mumbai. So let me just quickly add it there as well. So I'm just updating it. So usually if it has a well set up SAP, all these things will be set up. So now I'll just add a contact with the name of Terry. So you will be seeing that this contact person is also being synced along with the company. So I'm just filling in the mandatory fields that is the first name, last name, email, and also we have a segment out here which is a software contact role. So that needs to be managed in your SAP because that will basically identify if this contact will only be a location admin or will only be able to place orders in Shopify. So that's it. I have saved the account. You can see the addresses are also there. So I'll just select the payment terms. So we can also put in payment terms and I have updated it. You can see. So there are basic criteria. So I'll just so this is basically the process flow as you can see. The first part is basically this is how the process flow is basically designed in our APPSeCONNECT platform. So as you can see, the SAP Business One is there, that is the source. Then we are mapping it in the mapper node, and then we are transferring it to Shopify. So then once that is synced, we are getting the response on Shopify and swinging that response to back to SAP. So you can see this contact is already synced. This company is already synced to Shopify, since that process was in automatic mode and it was done in real time. As you can see, I've just created the company, and within few seconds, while I was describing about the process flow, the company got synced, and you can see it is already there in Shopify as well. So along with the billing address, everything, you can see the uh, main contact. It is described the main contact, and it is assigned with the role of location admin. So I'll just try to log in from the front end as well to show you how Shopify gives the user interface to the when we log in from the front end. So as per the B2B scenario, as you already know that we need to log in using the contact person email. And in Shopify B2B, you do not have any segment where you can put in the company email. So basically every will be managed, the company will be can be logged in only through the contact person. So I've just sent in the email to the contact person since it was not set up in the Shopify currently. So you can see. So I'll just log in. So I'll just put in the email. So confirmation code will be going through. So this is the home. So I'll just open the account using the URL. So you can see. So I think since it is not set up correctly, it is not showing up the address. But as you can see, we are able to log in using that specific account and also create orders for that specific company as a contact person. So this is how basically AppSeConnect is helping to sync company and contacts. So over to you, Shubhashish.
Thanks, Ratnadeep. Thanks for the nice demonstration. So here in this demonstration, you have seen the B2B business process basically consists of few things. Like first and foremost thing in the B2B process is company contact person architecture. In terms of SAP Business One, if we talk about, we can see that SAP Business One maintain this segment very carefully, that where you can create the business partner as a company level and the contact person is their subsidiary, as the contact persons are the main point of contact through which you can get the access of the company. So the company contact person architecture is replicated over there in that B2B module of Shopify. So the same thing we have integrated over here as well, but the mechanism you can see that in the process flow preparation, you have seen that multiple nodes are configured just to make this process real time, make this process faster, make this process GraphQL oriented. So only the segment on the chunk of the data will be used, and within the fraction of second you have seen that within almost a real time the data flown from source to destination. That is the beauty of the AppSeConnect integration as well as the B2B business module. Now I can see some questions are coming in. Definitely I'll take the questions and we'll try to answer the questions, few of them. So the first question I can see, that is if someone use this pack of AppSeConnect, how much effort will be reduced? Okay, so that means that how, like if someone use this AppSeConnect package of the B2B module along with the integrated one, so how much it will be like effort can be reduced by using that? I ask Ratnadeep just to answer this question. Ratnadeep, do you
Yeah,
want
so
to?
yeah. So basically if someone uses this package, this will help them in making their business process much smoother, because we are basically now using the GraphQL technology, and this B2B package is basically developed using the GraphQL technology. So the data flow, as you've seen in the demonstration, I've just created the data and it went through to Shopify. So this is what the beauty is about using this package. So I've just given you a glimpse of what is actually happening. So there are multiple other processes also that will be going seamlessly, and it will help you in making your business process much smooth and seamlessly without any manual intervention. Everything will be automated. So that's what I think this
Yeah.
package will be very much helpful.
Yeah. So this is it. Like definitely, whenever you will use this package, it will definitely reduce the man effort. It will reduce the utilization of human intervention over there. So there are less chances of the human errors. So definitely, it will do work faster than the human intervention. So effort will definitely be reduced if you use this package. Now coming on to the second question, that is what is the costing to use B2B on Shopify? So as I have already told that it is not cost you anything extra if you use Shopify Plus. On the top of that, you will definitely get that B2B module and you can easily use that. So this is from my side. I can answer what will be the pricing for the integration package. Okay, this is a good question. So this is not the platform I think where we can discuss about the pricing and all. So for anything pricing related part, for the integration package related part, for the process flow related part, you have to contact with sales@appseconnect.com. There our business development executive will definitely help you out regarding this type of queries, and what will be the package cost, what will be your business process. They will definitely guide you as per your business, because we believe that is every business process is unique. Now coming on to the fourth question, that is it necessary to understand the GraphQL technology in details to use this package? I will ask this question to Ratnadeep again. Ratnadeep, what you're saying, that is this GraphQL mechanism really needed, or GraphQL technology really needs to be understandable whenever anyone will try to start their business using this package?
No, basically everything will be set up from our end, and it's just that they will just be using the plug and play technology. They just need to provide their website details, ERP details. Will just connect them, and everything will uh, be synced properly based on the criterias that we basically set up. So that is the how like GraphQL technology is not a needed for the client side perspective, if I'm saying,
So
because
understanding is not needed. So
yeah,
if you start your business, install AppSec Connect, your business will start working.
yeah,
So that's it.
that's it.
So there are many questions are coming in. I think this, like, we will not be able to cater all these questions to all of you. Thanks for joining, guys. I believe some of the answers we can write over email to all of you. Some of the questions I will take, and for if you have any more queries, please feel free to connect with our sales@appseconnect.com. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.